The Northern Ireland Protocol and the impact of it has undermined the Belfast Good Friday Agreement.
So to be clear, after Johnson said this
is a great deal for our country, for the UK.
The government is now saying his deal is so bad, so terrible, so calamitous that it represents such a threat to the stability of the UK, it's legal to breach the very international treaty which created it. But to rely on the doctrine of necessity to break international law, the state must establish, as Johnson's government accepts, that it has not substantially contributed to the situation of necessity it's relying on. The government says it hasn't. The UK has not contributed to the situation of necessity relied upon. The UK exercised its sovereign choice to leave the EU single market and customs union, and the peril that has emerged was not inherent in the protocol's provisions. Not only has Johnson's government contributed to the situation, it actually created it. In July 2019, the Prime Minister made this promise: there will be no border down the Irish Sea over my dead body. 2 months later, he agreed to checks in the Irish Sea.
The net result of which is that there's pretty much a border in the Irish Sea.
Johnson knew exactly what damage his oven-ready deal would cause when he signed it. The government's own impact assessment told him, and so did this. This leaked Treasury presentation in 2019 goes on to say checks and declarations from the protocol would be highly disruptive to the Northern Ireland economy, that SMEs are likely to struggle to bear the cost, and acknowledges that it would increase the price of high street goods. But Johnson still shamelessly continued to tell the public this.
This document is talking about checks both ways.
And that's wrong, because there won't be checks.
A barefaced lie. And then he whipped his MPs to vote for his deal, telling Parliament this.
It is in full compatibility, Mr. Speaker, with the Good Friday Agreement.
It gets even worse. This is what DUP MP Ian Paisley said in 2021.
Johnson did tell me personally that he would, after agreeing to the protocol, he would sign up to changing that protocol and indeed tearing it up.
And now that's exactly what he's doing.